Court don order APC candidates Osagie Ize-Iyamu to appear for court for the next date wey dem adjourn to. Federal High Court wey dey Benin City don adjourn the trial of APC governorship candidate Osagie Ize-Iyamu and 4 others till July 14, 2020. Unto say Ize-Iyamu no dey court, the presiding judge Mohammed Garba Umar don order am to appear for court for July 14 wey be the next adjourned date. Osagie Ize-Iyamu and 4 others suppose appear for court on Tuesday, July 7, 2020 before Justice Umar wey dey Federal High Court unto 700 million naira money laundering allegations wey Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) file against them. The court validates the corruption charges against the defendants for the last sitting wey shele for Benin City for June 18, 2020 as dem adjourn the case go July 2, 2020 for further hearing. Although the court no sit that day, but court official talk am say dem don adjourn the matter go July 7. For the hearing on Tuesday, Ize-Iyamu dey absent while the other defendants for the suit wey be former Edo State People's Democratic Party chairman Dan Obi, present state chairman of the party Tony Azegbemi, former deputy governor of Edo State Lucky Imasuen and FA Erimogai Anthony dey present. Counsel to the first defendant, Charles Edosoma SAN, talk say Ize-Iyamu no fit come court because he not too well and him present medical reports to back am up. He still talk say pending motions dey where they challenge the jurisdiction of the court. He talk say Ize-Iyamu dey come court since then and na only today na he not come so. The law dey provide am with protection as far as they ready to face trial.
The case couldn't go on today. The court had to adjourn because the first defendant couldn't come to court because he's indisposed. And the court, the circumstances, adjourned the matter to the 14th of July for hearing of pending motions. So that we have a motion challenging the decision of the court. There was no threat of arrest. He just said he should be in court on the 14th of July. Because he also noted, the court noted, that Pastor Ize-Iyamu has always faithfully been in court. He had never missed a court date. He had never missed a court date till today. Pastor Ize-Iyamu will come to court if the circumstances are correct. The law provides him protection as far as he's willing to face his trial.
The matter was adjourned consequent upon the application by the first defendant, who is unavoidably absent in court. He is said to be sick. Consequently, the matter was adjourned to the 14th of July.
This one are the ogbonge information wey dey carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As e be say Federal High Court wey dey for Benin City don order APC candidate Osagie Ize-Iyamu to appear for court for the next date wey dem don adjourn to, wey be July 14, 2020. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge information dey come give una, and my name na Edogogo Edoleye.